whole bunch of poetry, different hot spots of the city. So, yeah, enjoy. You stood up on the stage in front of the world with your Roxy Roller eyes and watched madness push into our skin. In front of the world like you're some sort of superhuman and watched madness push into our skin. I can see through you because you had your soul gauged when you were 15. Like you're some sort of superhuman, now you're legally a tool. I can see through you because you had your soul gauged when you were 15. You sit in your castle and wonder whether your smile is on too tight. We're not as dumb as you look, now you're legally a tool. The kids in the back of the classroom know when you're stuttering over your words. My body is not a play toy. We're not as dumb as you look. I need to be taken care of. My body is not your play toy. My body is fragile. I need to be taken care of. It means I break easily. My body is fragile, but I'm tough enough to challenge your advice. I need to be taken care of. I'm brave enough to look into your eyes and ask you why, but I'm tough enough to challenge your advice. Why not? I'm brave enough to look you in the eyes and ask you why. You asked me if you played well tonight. Why not? With your Roxy Roller eyes, you asked me if you played well tonight. You stood up on stage.